Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to show you all the doorbells in the apartment building. This is the first room's doorbell. Cool watermelon mat. Well, this is one of my neighbors, so I'm going to press the doorbell. The doorbell's here. It goes like this. Funny voice, huh? And this cool house. Like this. It goes like pretty cool, pretty adult-ish, huh? Let's go to the second floor, my floor. Okay guys, we're at the second floor and I'm going to show you these two houses. First, let's see this new house doorbell. It goes like just like a normal house. And this is my house. My house has a cool paw mat, the cat paw mat, and my house has a cool space mailbox. Let's press the doorbell in my house. It goes like this. Spacey, right? Because I like space.